It's very simple. And you have to remember 80% of the traffic that goes by your office is repeat traffic. It's the same people that are going to and from work. So they may not have an injury today, but next month they will be or will have an injury. So that's the importance of repetition and regularity and consistency with high flow traffic. Okay, the next consideration that we want to look at is the cost considerations. So we're going to look at case average first. We're going to look at case average. And we need to know that first because we're going to reverse engineer out on whether or not we would do the marketing or how much of the marketing would do or how relevant it would be. So as an example, let's say case average of a personal injury case is say $3,000. Now, also what we're going to consider is what's called frequency and reach, how often they may see the message and how many people would see the message. So those are very classic advertising terms that give number of imprints. Frequency versus reach times cost. And that essentially is going to help us to determine the potential return on investment. So here's a classic example. How many pay-per-clicks if you have a $3,000 or a 3,000 case average? So how many pay-per-clicks could you get before you broke even? In, let's say that one pay-per-click, one click, let's say it was $1. I'm just going to simplify the math here. So you could have 3,000 people look at that message. Now remember, if it's 3,000 people that are looking at the message that want to see Martha Ray cooking, then you're going to lose. It's not going to work. But the more specific and tailored